Hey guys, this is how to fix Steam game shortcuts not showing after installing one by one. All you need is to be logged into Steam and File Explorer. First of all, open your Steam and right-click your game in the Steam library. Go to Properties, use the tab Installed Files, verify integrity of the game files, and wait a little bit. Once that's done, go to File Explorer, find the disk where you've installed Steam. I have it installed on a customized location. Most people might find it under the C drive. Go to Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, and select the game you currently want to fix. And in my case that's Palworld, and make a new shortcut on the desktop. Once you've done that, you can remove the other shortcut that doesn't work. And you should be done. If you know a faster way to do this with all the games at the same time, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you very much for listening. I hope this helped. Bye bye.